The other day we traveled from Chawinda to Pasroor. This is a historic area where in 1965 the biggest battle of subcontinents was fought between Pakistan and Indian troops. Particularly, it is the second biggest battle of tanks and after World War II. This area is known as a battleground of Indian and Pakistani forces, and it is famous for being the graveyard of Indian tanks. In 1965, India attacked Pakistan through this area as the border is very close by to this area, only 30 kilometers away from here. So the Indian army with its heavy tank and the ratio was 1 to 10. Pakistan 1 tank and India has 10 tanks. But the brave son of soil of Pakistan fought gallantly and showed extreme skill in war planning and in war gaming. So they averted the attack, and ultimately the attackers, Indian forces, have to leave this area by leaving all their destroyed tanks here. This is called Chawinda Pasroor Road, and we travel on it. Look at these trees, they are like dried up trees, but they are being used as poles of electricity.